Does the following graph represent a quadratic function? All right, so in order to make this determination, we have to know in general what a quadratic function looks like. Now, it turns out that the quadratic function will have a graph that has a shape of what's known as a parabola. Parabola. Cool. Now, a parabola here has, now, I guess I'm kind of answering the question already, but a parabola looks like this. All right, this is a parabola. Now, the parabola, if you notice, has a nice kind of hairpin turn down here at the bottom. It doesn't flatten out too much. So, for example, if I had something that looked like this, if it came down and kind of flattened like that, okay, that is not a quadratic function. It flattens out too much. It has to have this nice hairpin turn, okay? And if you notice, it's going to then go up, in this case, in both directions. It goes on and on and on to infinity up there. All right. Now, this turns out to be an example of having this is a quadratic function with a positive leading coefficient. Okay, it's positive. Look, it's kind of smiling at you, right? It looks like it's a little smiley face, okay? That's a positive leading coefficient. And if I had this graph flipped around, in other words, and I'll just erase this on the side, if I had something that looked like this, a more frowny type of face, you kind of see that hairpin turn there at the top. What the heck? There we go. This would also be now an example of a quadratic, but it's a frown, right? It's a frown face, so it's not too happy. All right, so that would be an example with a negative leading coefficient. Just some extra information there. But this does represent a quadratic function, okay? So hopefully that helped. So thanks so much for tuning in. I'd love to help you with more stuff. Take a look at our website, glazersguide.com. We got you covered. Take care.
For more practice and for more fun, go to glazersguide.com.
And for more practice and for more fun, come on, go to glazersguide.com.